Asset protection is one of the most important parts of fleet intelligence. You always want to know where your assets are, when they're reporting, and if they're in the right hands. You can always see asset location history. This is accomplished by clicking on any asset and pressing the location history button. This will open up a small window at the bottom of the screen where you can select a date range. I'm going to select the last 7 days here, and you can also narrow it down by time frame. When you click the play button, it'll walk you step by step through each of the breadcrumb points, and we also have a quick load button to get them all loaded on the screen. Each of these instances have an exact date and timestamp so you can see when the asset was reporting in that location. The significance of the geofences here lets you know when an asset is entering or exiting a geofence. So if anything ever walks off the job site, you're made aware via text or email. We also help you track using curfew alerts and tamper alerts. To set up curfew alerts, you can go into the system if you're an administrator by clicking on the full menu and then go into security settings. From here at the bottom, you'll notice that we have curfew configurations where you can assign assets or job sites to specific configurations. This allows you to set customized curfew times, whether that's during normal hours of the working day, or if this is a night job, you can have off hours during the day and still receive the right curfew alerts so that your assets are protected. We also have a curfew movement tolerance that can be tweaked as well. To manage all of these different asset protections, we can go into the reports and dashboards and open up Contractor Overview. From here, we have 2 workspaces that we're going to be looking at. The first one is curfew alerts and job site reporting. This is where you can see all of the different events where curfew alerts were taking place. It's got the asset information as well as the job site and the exact date and time when that alert was fired. Also on the right-hand side here, job site history will always have whenever the asset entered or exited a specific geofence, and you can always, of course, filter these down, set them up for automated reportings, etc. The final portion of asset protection is tamper alerts. Certain fleet intelligence devices are able to tell when they're being tampered with or being removed from the asset. These will trigger an alert that will immediately fire and be sent to the user. Here's the chart where you can see all of those that are happening, and you can also set yourself up for alerts for all of these different events. If I right-click anywhere in the reports and dashboard screens, at the bottom you'll see a button that says subscribe message. If we click on that, there will be a bank on the left-hand side that lets you choose what you want to receive alerts for. Here, I've selected all 3 of the ways that we protect assets here. This is curfew, geofence entry, as well as exit, and tamper alerts. At the bottom, you'll see that we have email and text addresses that these can be sent to. It can go to any user in the system or any contact outside of the system as well. Once those are selected, press OK, and those will be automatically sent going forward. Take advantage of everything that Fleet Intelligence has to offer to help you protect your assets. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, please visit our website at fleetintelligenceglobal.com.